Hey guys, today I'll be guiding you through the process of properly installing the grinder plate on your Makita grinder. Let's get started. So the safety first. So before beginning, ensuring your grinder is unplugged to avoid any accidental startups, and always wear safety gloves and goggles for this process. So now I've already removed one of the safety guards. So if you've got a safety guard on your Makita, so go ahead and remove it. Generally they've got screws or bolts that hold them into place, so just remove that. As you can see here, I've already removed it. And once you've done that, go ahead and grab your grinder plate and make sure to put it on properly, so it will look, so the writing's going to be on the side of the grinder, so the writing side down, like so. And then you got the little nut here, so you just screw the nut on. And now to tighten it, you need one of these tools, so that will come with your Makita grinder. So what you need to do is place those two little things in those two holes there. And then what you need to do is turn it around, and you've got a button here. So you're going to press that button to tighten it up. So this should be nice and tight. Yep. And now go ahead and reattach the guard that you've taken off. And now lastly, do a final check. So double check that everything is tight and secure. So you just just have a feel, make sure it's nice and tight. And then do a plug-in and test. So finding plug in your grinder, turn it on briefly to make sure the disc is installed correctly and runs smoothly. And there you have it. You've successfully installed the grinder plate on your Makita grinder. Always follow safety precautions and refer to your user manual for specific instructions. Thanks for watching.